Uh-oh, it's a plain brown box, but inside is a diver with a dial made of rock. Let's check it out. Welcome to WatchWit. Outer shipping box is unwrapped, but I'm checking this out for the first time right along with you. So let's get inside and figure it out. All right, that'll take forever. Ooh. All right. Custom tissue. Houtman. Oh, wow. What? That's kind of cool. You got like a watch strap to... Is that its only purpose? Oh, it is. That's pretty cool. I like that. It looks like a watch strap, a watch band, but it is actually just for the... Oh, okay, it's sewn to this. Okay, that makes sense. But that's neat. I like it. Nice leather, very soft. Oh, you see you got the Houtman logo and signature. It's kind of a funky color, but nice leather. Oh, there she is. All right, you ready? Just gonna rip it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, of course it didn't go. All right, I'm gonna pull it gently out. That's it. Ooh, whoa! Look at that dial. Oh, and check out that print. So this dial is made of a rock. So obviously they can't print on there. So check out the signature at the top under the 12. It's on the underside of the glass, as is automatic 200 meters. That is very unique. Isn't that cool? Oh, I like that. How slick. So this is the Houtman Pilbara Rock. So this variation is a limited edition. They also have the Pilbara available in a fume blue and a fume jade green, and I think a black and a white. Those are just regularly available. This one is limited edition because of this unique dial. That is so cool. So let's get it going. And I'll tell you that the brand, Houtman, is an Australian microbrand, and Pilbara was inspired by the red earth color of Western Australia's outback. And this dial color actually comes from the outcroppings of rock formations that they have throughout that region. And the color kind of marries that red dirt with the white sands of the Indian Ocean. So you kind of get this creamery effect. I just made that up. All right, so let's get the hands out of the way. I didn't make up the whole thing, just the creamery part. Crown is nice. Good reaction here of the handset. Oh, look at that. I love the cross of the counterbalance of the hour and minute hand. That looks cool. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, threads first time. Very nice. All right, let's explore around some more. Now we can see that printing on the underside of the crystal a little better. This is a slightly domed, slightly double domed sapphire crystal. You see there just a touch of distortion, only as the Riot comes out of focus. That underside print is so cool. I've heard there's a little trick with it too, like when light hits it a certain way, it'll cast a shadow onto the dial. I'll see if I can force one of those for you. So this diver is 41 millimeters in diameter. You've got a lug-to-lug of 49 millimeters, 22 millimeter lug width, and looks like this bracelet has got just a touch of a taper. And your thickness is 11.8 millimeters. Look at that. Not bad for a diver, huh? It's pretty thin. And it weighs in at 169 grams with all but 2 links on the supplied bracelet. This is all 316L stainless steel, and it's brushed and polished. Look at this. Nice brushing on the mid case, and then you've got that chamfer that's high polish. Oh, that's slick. And then back to brushing here on the in link and the links of the bracelet and the top side of the lug too. That is very nice. That's great finishing. Let me see if I can get you in a little closer so you can really pick up that detail. See that? Oh yeah. That is satiny smooth. Beautiful. I love that chamfer. That is just just a little pop of high polish. Man, while I'm here, I might as well just show you more of that dial. So no doubt every dial is unique. This is made from compressed rock material. It almost looks like from a distance, like cork, right? Is what when I see it here, that's what I think of. But as you zoom in, you can really see that texture and just the uniqueness of each dial. And there's a great display of that, that raised lettering. I can't get over that. That's pretty cool. I'd be anxious to see or hear what the longevity is of that, staying on the crystal. You've got a signed crown, and it is loomed as well. And there, I'll show you that loom shot of the dial and the crown in a little bit here. And it is screw down, as you noted from earlier. And the case is screw down Caseback as well. Oh, look at this. Somebody's got a sticker. Oh, crispy one. So that's a cool Caseback. Look at that. You got that just kind of matte finish and then super high gloss Red Dog inspired logo. And that is stamped. Well, I'll take a spring bar out of the micro just so we can see that Caseback better. But first, I might as well talk about the clasp. So you've got brushing here as well. And the Houtman logo centered between the double pushers. And a milled clasp. Scissor style. A couple stickers here too. Now, is it just me? Do people leave those on so you don't get it marred from this part coming down? Is that a thing? I always take them off, but now I keep seeing them on that nobody's taking them off, and I wonder. Let me know. What do you do? I take them all off, and then 3 micro adjusts for your fitting pleasure. And looks like you've got screw pins for sizing. Yeah, that's better. All right, so you got Houtman Watches, stainless steel, sapphire crystal, 200 meters water resistant, automatic. And then there's that big old dog. Looks like solid end links and quick release spring bars on the bracelet as well. And then, of course, that's helpful because it comes with another strap. This looks to be, I think that's silicone. Yeah, it feels like a regular silicone strap. And it's got quick release. And, oh, cool buckle. I like that tang. Yeah, that's nice. Just brushed stainless steel there. I took those stickers off. It was bothering me. So nice smooth sweep of that seconds hand. This is a high beat movement, beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4 hertz. It's a Miyota 9039, which you're seeing a lot of lately. It's got a 42-hour power reserve, and the accuracy is about -10 to +30 seconds per day. Actually, I found a card in the one of the pockets of the watch roll, and it says final Q&A and test report, visual inspection pass, accuracy check, average noted, +5 seconds per day. Cool. So I will obviously be tracking this like I always do. So check out my full review down the road and see if it came in a similar time as this. Within tolerance, yes, of course. There you see the -10 to +30. A check by, and look at that. So number 28 of, that looks like 70. Wow. So there's only 70 of the rock version. Let's check out the Lume. Now, as always, I'm recording the voiceover for this Luminescence section the day after I've unboxed it. That way I can wear the watch to bed at night for the true test. Look at that crown. That sucker's bright, right? And so is the dial, and you can see the handset and bezel as well. All one color, blue, and it's very strong and long-lasting, even into the wee hours as it starts to get light out in the morning. The watch is still very legible. So great job on the Lume. Okay, let me try it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where are my manners? This is a dive watch. I haven't checked out the bezel yet. All right, so we've got, yep, a unidirectional. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. Great action. Just very clickety, but solid positive clicks. Of course, it lines up. And it looks to be, it's kind of hard to tell. I believe it's a ceramic bezel insert, but it's got kind of this matte, there you go, look at that. Got kind of a matte texture to it, so kind of hard to tell. So don't quote me on it because I don't have the specs on the bezel. But yeah, I believe it to be ceramic. Not positive. I'll try and have an answer for you on the full review. Now, something else about this bezel. So they say that it sticks out 0.5 millimeters from the case because this is 41 millimeters and then 41.5 at the bezel. But look at that. Can you see that? It just hugs the side of that case so nicely. Look at that. And the way it sits on top, it's almost as if they're one piece. Beautiful work. Okay, so today I'm wearing the Van Banner AO. I've got a complete unboxing video on this thing right up there. This is a beautiful purple dial. It comes in blue or green as well. And just a great little 38 millimeter kind of sport watch. There it is. Not quite sized for me, but pretty close, just from the previous reviewer. And man, we didn't talk about this bracelet. This 5-link has got a nice look to it. Solid feel too. I do want to measure and see if there is a taper. Yeah, so 20. So from 22 here at the lugs down to 20. It's very subtle when you see it here on my wrist, right? But I think I saw it a little more when it was just being held in my hands. That's a beauty. Here it is on the rubber strap, and you can see that it is a proper dive strap. Got all kinds of the holes are real close to each other, so you can get a great fit. And it's super long. I've got an 8-inch wrist. I can still swivel this around, so it's kind of loose. And you see how much excess I have here. So, obviously that can go over a wetsuit. So check it out. I was taking off the bracelet to show it to you on the rubber strap, and I found the etching for the limited edition number. So there you see it, 28 of 70. And also nice to note that the finishing is done behind the where the bracelet would be as well. So if you want to pick one of these up or the other color variants, they're all available now on the Houtman website. Link is down below in the description. Again, the Rock is a little more of a limited edition, so not quite sure on how many are left. But if you like one, check it out below and see if you can snag one up. It comes with the watch on the bracelet, and then, of course, you've got the extra rubber strap that I showed you earlier, and this beautiful watch roll. The Pilbara Rock comes in at $451 US, free shipping from Australia as well. And the other color variants are at $437 US. And again, those are fume blue or jade green and a black or white dial variant. Let me get this out of the way for the final shots. Man, I just hope that this is coming through on the camera as cool as it is in person. That is a beautiful dial. And again, that print, I am blown away. I just love it. That's pretty unique. So leave your comments down below on this Houtman Pilbara, the Rock variation, 200-meter diver. And look at that beautiful case. Man, that is sleek and sexy. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and that way you'll be able to follow along with the full review when I post it down the road. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.